I know it's in here somewhere. What could it be? I don't know. Ah! Ha! I think I found it, guys. The magic recipe for Fatloss. What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy, Big Dog Mike, and we're back with another banger. So people think fat loss is super complicated and complex, okay? So what I want you to do right now is I want you to go get a pen and a paper, sit down, and I want you to write down this recipe to help you guys lose your first 20 pounds. Quick disclaimer, this video is gonna be quick, okay? So make sure your hand's writing fast. It's not complicated. I'm just gonna break down 5 quick steps that you could do today that's gonna help you lose your first 20 pounds pretty damn quick. The first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure you're in a 500 calorie deficit a day. Well, Mike, how do I know I'm in a 500 calorie deficit? Great question. You need to go to Google, put in TDEE calculator, total daily energy expenditure, right? Click the first one, all right? It's gonna give you 1,000 options. Just click the first one. You're gonna put in your age, your height, your weight, your activity level. Make sure you're honest. Make sure you're honest. Once you do that, it's gonna say calculate. You're gonna calculate, and it's gonna give you how many calories you need to maintain your current body weight. What you're gonna do with that number is you're going to take that number and you're gonna subtract 500 from that number. So for example, my maintenance calories is 3,200. I'm gonna minus 500 from that. It's gonna be 2,700. So I need to eat 2,700 calories a day to lose weight. Now it's that simple. I don't care what you eat. As long as you stay in that 500 calorie deficit range a day, you're going to lose fat. It takes 3,500 calories to burn 1 pound of body fat. So if you have a 500 calorie deficit over 7 days, that's 3,500. You should lose a pound a week. Second thing, write this down. Get a calorie counting app, because this is going to help track how many calories you're actually putting into your body, okay? So get MyFitnessPal, get whatever, FujiKate. There's a whole bunch of different apps out there that you can use. I use MyFitnessPal. Now, you can't use a barcode scanner unless you pay $20 a month. I don't do that. I'm sure there's other apps that have a free barcode scanner. I personally use MyFitnessPal because I've been using it forever. So get a calorie counting app. Now, the third thing I want you to do is I want you to go get a food scale, okay? Because you're gonna need to weigh your food for at least the first month to 3 months of starting your journey, because you need to know exactly how many calories you're putting into your body, okay? And the only way of knowing that is by actually weighing your food. I recommend eating whole food. Yeah, can you eat 500 calories a deficit a day and eat McDonald's and Wendy's? You can. I don't recommend that for health reasons, but you can. So if you get a scale, you're cooking at home, you wanna make sure you're weighing out your chicken, your steak, whatever it is, your rice, weigh it out, put it into your calorie counting app, and make sure you're staying in a 500 calorie deficit a day, and you're gonna lose weight. So, we know how many calories we need to lose weight. We have our app, we have our food scale. The fourth thing that you need to do is eat high protein. Why? Because you're going to be in a calorie deficit, and when you're in a calorie deficit, you could actually lose muscle. Definitely if you're not strength training. But if you eat a high protein, you have a nice strength training program, you're not gonna lose muscle. You're gonna maintain the muscle you have while burning body fat. So try and eat up to 1 gram of protein per pound of body fat. And this is just going to keep you full longer, like I said in previous videos. So yeah, make sure you eat a high protein diet. The fourth and fifth, that was what? That was what, fourth? Yeah. So the fifth, which is the last, there's 2 parts to this, okay? On the fifth, you're gonna wanna get 15,000 steps per day. I usually do 10 to 15, but I'm saying 15 for this video because you wanna lose your first 20 pounds as quick as possible. So get 15,000 steps per day. If you can get 15,000 steps per day, that is amazing. And I also want you to pair that with 3 to 5 times a week of exercise. Some form of strength training, riding a bike. Hey boy, we're gonna be out in the park in a second. So yeah, 15,000 steps, exercise 3 to 5 times a week, hopefully it's strength training. And if you could put all these together, if you could just follow all these steps, I'm telling you, you're going to lose weight. You're gonna feel better about yourself. It's quite easy. Stop with the excuses and get it done. So yeah, if you follow these steps, I'm telling you, you're gonna lose weight. It's science, right? You need to burn more calories than you consume. That's it. It's very, very simple. I know you can do it. Stop the excuses and let's build some healthy habits. We gotta build healthy habits over here, girl. Even though you just had a lollipop. How was that lollipop?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it for the video. It was quick. I'm sorry, but I was on vacation last week and I tried to get some filming done up there. It was very hard. We had a lot of shit going on, so I wasn't able to vlog as much as I want. But so yeah, and if you like this video, give me a comment, share it, please, man. I would really appreciate it. And I hope y'all have a blessed day. Peace.